Hello. So we are back, kind of, Wednesday, and I'm here just for a few hours again, just to do some urgent jobs. The shop is still closed, and hopefully they said from 15 June the shop can be open. Like non-essential business, it will be open. Hopefully we'll start working normally. But anyway, I'm only myself and Christian here, and the shop is a mess. You can see. So we still have it's not fully open, the front shutter here. Okay, so let's fix some things. What about a tablet? We have tablet, we have laptops. Okay, this is a simple one, but I don't understand why I'm doing this kind of jobs. Because the simple jobs, Christian is meant to do it. Charging ports and Windows jobs and hard drive jobs, and like on the last video, someone said in the comments, "Oh, you lose jobs, you send the people away." Actually, on the news, you can. I seen on the news where the shop was selling things. I don't know, and he end up on court. Yeah, they took the man on the court because obviously it's illegal. But anyway, they said clearly, you can't open. If you can't open, you can't open. You can't work with the customer. Let's say like that, because I think the shop is still doing online thing like eBay and Amazon selling. And so the idea is to not be open for customers, yeah. Well, it's a beautiful day outside. And I do have some plans on the future, but I'll let you know at some point. So the tablet is open. Looks like no one opened the tablet. That's fine. We have to replace the charging port. Hopefully I remember how to replace a charging port. But it looks like the humanity is going back to normal. Okay. And one more screw here. Good. And that's all, yeah? Yeah, that's all. Let's replace the charging port quickly. We have the charging ports here, that's fine. Hot air, max temperature, max air, a bit of flux. Yeah. First we are taking the wall charging port down, yeah. 500 degrees full area. Obviously the idea is to take the charging port out quickly as possible. Less heat, better for the board, yeah. So that's the old charging port. Now the new one. So here everything is fine. We can use a bit more flux. Yeah. Now the new charging port. New one. The charging port here. Maybe we can bring the microscope here on the. We can. Yeah. Yes. Okay, so that's our charging port. Some focus. It is, yeah. We are coming with the heat from the back, same 500 degrees. Yeah. From the bottom, sorry, yeah. That's our hot air. Perfect. Look at the pins, yeah. Yeah, we can try to redo the solders just a bit, just to be sure, but it's fine. It's perfectly fine. Oh, sorry, you can't see. And the back is no, it's nothing what we can damage, yeah. So the charging port is here. It's not really anything what we can damage there, yeah. Let's wait for the solder iron. I'm sure it's fine. It's not. It's pointless. Pointless. This doesn't need solder. It's proper solder in place. Let's test it because that's the important thing. Actually, it's nothing to test. You know you solder the charging port in place. You use flux, you use high temperature. Oh really? Too much to check. Let's put back the ribbon cables. The battery last one, yeah? And then charging cable. Plugged in, and there is a charging current 0.4, because probably the battery is very discharged. 1.4 amps. 1.4 is perfect. Yeah. Let's put back the screws. You'll be surprised how many charging jobs are on a shop. Wow. It's a really big income thing, you know. Only from charging ports. Tablets, phones. Good. Let's put this back. And we are ready. This is quite a simple job. The current is still 1.4 amps. Now it's changing, it's 1%, so it's fine. Let's wait. Yeah, let's wait for the current. Let's see, why is 0.4? It's 0.4 because something is wrong, either with my charger or with my cable. Let me swap the cables, 1 second. Yeah. It should be fine.
Closer, you need to expect they might be open.
The charging fine, 1.5 amps, yeah, you can see. But the current is saying everything, you know. The current, the power supply is speaking with you. The 1.5 amps, that means the charging is perfect. Yeah, good. Next one, let's do a laptop. Yeah, let's do a laptop. Many people ask about laptops, and you know what's the thing? We are not taking jobs from outside. No, we never did. But the people still insist. They email me, and I tell them, you know, go on Discord and ask for help. And there are people, they understand how the things works. But we have the second part of the people. They go on Discord. I have this laptop. It's not coming on. What should I do? And it's hard to offer a help. And, you know, in a situation you don't know too much about electronics, but you want to save some money and fix your laptop. Maybe you don't want to save the money. You just want to fix your laptop, just to have that feeling. And if they didn't get the right answer to fix their problem, they will get angry, and there's not much with what you can do. This morning I seen something like that, and he left the Discord. He said, "I'll go to ask help on different Discords," which is make me sad. But what you can do? It's not much. You can't even give an idea about a fault. You have no multimeter. You have nothing, no experience, nothing. You want to fix a laptop, which is like a top, like edge of technology. It's like the phones, you know. It's it's not easy. You need some knowledge, you know, like basic knowledge. You need like a multimeter just to check. Like I give you an advice, go and check that. You know. Still 1%, but I'm sure it's charging fine. I'm sure it's charging. And it's not about me. I don't have too much time to spend on Discord, but it's about the moderators, the admins. They are offer a lot of help, and also the other member of the Discords. Remember our Discord right now. Let me check. Let me check. Right now, our Discord. Let me see if I can switch. 1 second. 11,980 members. It's a lot. It's a lot. A lot of people there. And it's not only people looking for help, people helping the others. It's quite a nice community. Nice people. Even the mods, the admins, the Discord busters, you know. Also, I want to thank, you know, the patrons, the YouTube members, and everyone which is supporting this idea, you know. Let's learn together. Okay? This one is 2%, so obviously it's going up, okay? Let's go forward. Let's move. We'll put back the tablet first on the memory card slot, yeah? So you start from this side. You start from this side. We are fine, yeah? We are perfectly fine. So this is ready. Let's see what we have here. Wow. We have a big Lenovo laptop here. Okay, it's no receipt. It's a nice NVIDIA and i5 processor. Yeah? So let's see this one. Let's try and fix it. See what can be wrong here. We need a charger. Let me grab a charger. We have the customer charger here. Let's check the charger first, yeah. Minus, plus, and we have over 20. Oh, you can't see the multimeter because it's not on screen. So the charger 20.5, yeah, because you can't see. What is my multimeter? So multimeter it is on. Okay, now it's working, yeah? Minus plus, minus, plus, 20.5. You can see on the multimeter 20.5. Let's plug the charger. Charger is plugged. We have no charging light or power on whatsoever here. Nothing. Pressing the power button. Nothing happened, and also, yeah, it is coming on. What? The charging port is wobbling, but the laptop is working. And I do have some lights there, but you can't really see them. Yeah. Give me 1 second to find out. Yeah. Yeah, sorry. So this is not charging. You can see the charging sign there. So it is charging when I move the charging port. Yeah, now it's charging. Yeah. So obviously we have a very dangerous situation here. A charging port job. You know, the Lenovo, when the middle wire is touching the plus, it's gone. You know the story. You know the story. Let me shut down the computer. Eh? You see, when the people use the laptop without shutting it down, it's taking a while to shut down the computer. It's good to shut down every time, not to send the computer on sleep. That's what I'm doing, and I never have problems. And now it's start doing updates. That's a good practice, to shut down the computer instead of sending to sleep or hibernation. Now it's doing updates. That's crazy. Okay. It's off. No, it's not. The LEDs are still on, but that's not important because we can start opening this. The charging port is there, so we have to strip down everything. This is the model with the fan. It's screwed on the keyboard. Yeah, that's the one. You have to be careful. Now look, this is gone. Yeah, so already this is gone. This is gone. Yeah, this one you can't even open. These screws are missing. I try to not be a toxic person. Like on that video with why I will never buy a Lenovo. I was just angry, but I'm sorry for doing that video. The seal is not there, so that means someone opened this laptop already. So being toxic is not a good idea. So you open to fix a charging port and you realize that so you have a hinge problem, because that's what will happen on this one. And you can't screw that hinge back. But this crisis with the corona thing, was bad for everyone. Even for myself, not working. And you'll say, yeah, sorry, but I took the money from the government, 80%. Yeah, but I'm not full-time here. I'm like part-time. Usually I'm working like 6 hours. And I call them, the people with the car, I have a finance on my car, and I say, I can't pay. If you want to take the car, you can take the car. It's fine. I don't mind, but I can't pay. And they gave me 2 months payment holiday, which is great. And I just sold whatever I had, and I'm not using it. I sold my radio. Yeah, yes, sir. The t585. I'm not using it. It's there like from 5 years, and I'm not using it. I sold I had an iMac. I have on eBay. I have DJI Osmo Pocket camera. They sold few things. If you have things, you keep them. You don't use them. The value goes down. So it's better to sell and buy when you need. But yeah, it was hard for everyone. Even for myself, it was hard. And to be honest, just to be honest, just to be honest, not to cry here or, just to be honest, the only entity who pay me every day, doesn't matter if it's Christ, if it's Corona, if it's night, if it's Sunday, if it's Saturday, it's YouTube. Yeah, YouTube, Patreon people, and the members of the YouTube. So I want to thank you. But I think that was my save. No, don't think it's not so much money, but it is a help. It is a help. Obviously, if you don't upload videos, the income from ad revenue goes down. And but it is a help, you know. It's just a little bit of help, not too much, but it's help, you know. At least you can pay for the food. So I have to reconsider the YouTube. It's I will let you know. You know, if something is going to happen, I will let you know at some point. But we are speaking about a new channel. Obviously, something else different from what we are doing here. I will let you know at some point. Okay. Even these cables has to come out. But just think, yeah, just think. The owner of the shop, he has to pay the rent, and the rent is like 5,000 every month. They didn't care. He goes and spoke with the management, and they said, you know how you pay the rent at home, you have to pay the rent of the shop, even if it's closed. So it's crazy, you know, crazy. You pay money, and actually you are not using the shop to make money. That's the same when the financial crisis comes. 2008, I think, yeah. I had my business, and the financial crisis come. No one was buying, no one was selling, no one was doing anything. But I still have to pay the rent, the same rent. So obviously, that will not going to work. And I did wrong. You know, I should stop. I didn't stop because it's hard to stop and stop your business. So actually, I pump money on the business till the point I don't have money. At that moment, I closed the business, and I what I did was only the internet thingy. The internet provider. But the repair shop, I have to close it, you know, the phone repairs. Okay. So the hinge is still good. But the top cover is coming here on this one, which is broken, you can see, and this one, which is broken again. The charging port is wobbling and it's moving around. But let's see why it's stopping charging, because the wires probably are broken. Let's have a look together. Microscope. It's hard to say what is the right decision. So you have a situation like that, yeah, like this. Okay, this is broken, and this is broken. So we have the both plus wires broken. Just think, when the financial crisis come, I spoke with the people from here. They say they didn't feel it, but in a small country as Romania, wow, was a disaster. So just compare that situation with this one with Corona. What is the best to do? The best is to pump the money like how I did, or like how he did, like paying the rent from his own money, or just to close the business. And it's not easy to take this decision, because it's not only the rent here. You invest so much advertise, you know. doing a right job, that's advertised. So each year of working, that's advertised. So it's not like you lose only the rent. No, you lose a lot. So it's hard to say the right decision. When you create your fan base, the customer base. Okay, this is not good. It's not good because I don't have different charging port. I don't have another one. So inside is fine, but the wires, nearly all are broken. Nearly all are broken. So we have to fix this. Just trying to take the rubber thing from the pins so we can solder the wires there. I can't. Sorry. Now we have the wires. That's great. The easy way. Use your teeth. It's not good, but it's quick. The funny thing, I did have problems with my teeth, but on the back, on the inside, but not the one from the front, which is surprising. I'm just trying to solder the wires. Give me 1 second, I'll show you after, yeah? Okay, the ground is done. Middle wire. As a middle wire, and we have to plus. And like usual, like always, so everything will be cover and hot glue, because we have to be sure we can give warranty on this job. So I'll use some hot glue under the charging port. Yeah, I still have hot glue. Okay, that's perfect. Let's route the cable back. Okay. So what we will do now, we'll cover everything on hot glue. Yeah, including so the charging port is on place. So we'll run hot glue everywhere here on this area, and on the hinge here, because we have to come with the top cover. But first I will tie the screw, and here, because we have to come with the top cover. So hot glue around here, hot glue around there, and on the charging port and around. Okay. The hinges are still fine. There's nothing to test, it all worked. The fault was clear. Yeah? The fault was clear. The wires was broken, yeah? Okay. Okay, on the charging port, like how I said. Now we have to keep the hot glue warm, yeah? Keep in mind. Here. And here. Now we can come with the top cover, yeah? Okay. I do have a problem, because I don't know the Wi-Fi antenna where it's supposed to come, but here. Supposed to come here. Okay. Found it. I need a clamp. 1 second. Yeah, thank you. Perfect. So we use a clamp. We just need to wait for the hot glue to dry. We are fine. We are ready. We are okay. We are rolling. We have a few more laptops and tablets here. If you give me 1 second.
The second shop, Gray Stack. Gray Stack. Check on Google Maps. Okay, it's like
I think that my hinge is fine. Let's see the keyboard. Where is the keyboard? Yeah, that's the one. Let's plug the charger. Yeah. Plug the charger, power on, and it is on. I can see the light here. You can see the laptop, it's on, but obviously it's no hard drive there. But we are fine, the charging port is solid, it's not wobbling too much, but it's fine. Yeah, it's on. It's a working laptop. Now, what did I did here? So I took the wires out on the wrong place. One Wi-Fi wire. Give me 1 second. Okay. Wi-Fi cables. Speakers. Hard drive. The funny fan, which is screwed on the keyboard. And now these screws. Yeah. So now I can screw them back because the thingy it's catched on hot glue. Yeah. So we are fine. Let's put back the screws. This one is not from here. The DVD drive. And this is gone. And this is gone. So I miss this. Wait. Okay. Plastic clips. That's fine. I'll finish here, go home, have a nice barbecue because it's sunny, it's nice outside, around 22 degrees. Let me see. We need one more screw here. Okay. And one more here on the keyboard. And that's all here. We're fine. These two, is nothing what I can do with these two. These two screws next time. Next time, different story, different money. My job was the charging port. Anyway, it's fine, yeah? So even here on the charging port where we fix it, yeah? Everything is perfect. Plug in the charger, power on. It's working, it's loading the windows, yeah? So I think I'll stop now because I'm going to grab something to eat. And I don't know if today, but see you probably next time. I think next week I have to come again, do some urgent jobs. But thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And see you on the next one, yeah? Bye.